जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भविष्य वर्तमान की आई हार्ट वेलकम यू टू द पीएमए समाचार चैनल फ्रॉम द इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड. Somalia, officially the Federal Republic of Somalia, is a sovereign country in the Horn of Africa. It is bordered by Ethiopia to the west, Djibouti to the northwest, the Gulf of Aden to the north, the Indian Ocean to the east, and Kenya to the southwest. Somalia has the longest coastline on Africa's mainland country. Corona vaccine. Pfizer gave this year 15 million and Moderna make 20 million tablets. Education in Delhi IIT, Divya got first prize. Sacraments in FDI digital news platform. Minister demands operation details. Environment. The Mahanadi River is a measured river in East Central India. It drains an area of around 1,41,600 square kilometers and has a total course of 858 kilometers. Mahanadi is also known for the Hirkund Dam. The river flows through the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Invention. Silver is a chemical element with the symbol Ec and atomic number 47. A soft white lustrous transition metal. It exhibits the highest electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity and reflectivity of any metal. Great person Umi Gurung born Sandeep Gurung is an Indian fashion designer and social entrepreneur from Sikkim. He is popularly known as the Green Man of Sikkim State, California. A western US state stretched from the Mexican border along the Pacific for nearly 900 miles. Its terrain includes cliffline-based redwood forest, the Sierra Nevada mountains, Central Valley farmland, and the Mojave Desert. The city of Los Angeles in the seat of the Holy entertainment industry. Tops Basil, also called Great Basil, is an culinary herb of the family Lamiaceae. Basil is native to tropical regions from Central Africa to Southeast Asia. It is a tender plant and is used in cuisines worldwide. Fruits. Citrus limita, alternatively considered to be a cultivar of citrus lemon. Sea lemon limita is a species of citrus commonly known as mosmi, sweet lime, sweet lemon, and sweet limita is member of the sweet lemons. Flowers. Neel kurunji, Strobilanthes kunthiana. Kurunji or Neel kurunji is a shrub that is found in the Shola forest of the Western Ghats in South India. Nilgiri Hills, which literally means the blue mountains, got their name from the purplish blue flowers of Neel kurunji that blooms only once in 12 years. Yoga. Surya Namaskar, salute to the sun or chant solution, is a practice in yoga as exercise incorporating a sequence of some 12 gracefully linked asanas. The asana sequence originated in the Hatha Yoga tradition on 9th century in India. The health benefits of Surya Namaskar. It also improves metabolism and blood circulation and ensures regular menstrual cycle for women. Universe. Just drop enough Iceland, also known as Hub Iceland, is an island located in the Thousand Island chains belonging to New York, United States. The island is known for being the smallest inhabited island, which appears to be around 3,300 square feet or about 1/13 of an acre. Mathematics. Assumed mean. In statistics, the assumed mean is a method for calculating the arithmetic mean and standard deviation of data set. It simply is calculating accurate values by hand. Ayurveda. Kalpavriksha, also known as Kalpataru, Kalpadruma or Kalpadara, is a wish-fulfilling divine tree in Hinduism, Jainism and Buddhism. It is mentioned in Sanskrit literature from the earliest sources. It is also a popular theme in Jain cosmology and Buddhism. The Kalpavriksha originated during the Samudra Manthan or churning of the ocean, along with the Kamdhenu, the divine cow, providing for all needs. Longa village in Mon district, Nagaland, will actually introduce you to unique crocodile. It might be an excellent option to push yourself and explore this uncharactered territory. This village truly abides by Carlos Sanada Seas. Ecuador 1D3 will be no borders, no boundaries, no flags and no countries, and the only password will be the heart. today's event, World Premonitory Day, International Students Day, martyrs in Odisha, presidents in martial arts struggles for freedom and democracy, India and Czech Republic and Slovakia. Weather news: on the mountains there is too much ice and cold winds moving. Today's temperature: Patna 20 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 18 degrees Celsius. Dayang Kushan Grand Bridge. The Dayang Kushan Grand Bridge, China. The bridge is 164.8 km long, located between Shanghai and Nasik. Today's for that's all I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष गों शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः